The group who developed Hilton Head Island back in the 70s and 80s were way ahead of their time. They knew that it was the stunning natural resources that would attract folks to this little coastal island. And they wanted to make sure that all development plans put the needs of the environment, the wildlife, the sea, the salt marshes first, above their desire to make money. My name is Kim France, and I'm a real estate agent in Bluffton and Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. What I love most about my job is sharing my love of the Lowcountry with people. Pristine beaches, an abundance of fertile fishing waters, acres of wildlife sanctuaries, and arguably the best oysters in the world. The way of life here is slow and peaceful. It's happy and healthy. It's not just the environment that makes it that way, it's also the people who choose to live here. Visitors to the island, even if they've been coming here for years, have likely only seen a handful of communities. Many of the communities are private and gated. We have a rather unique market here in Bluffton and Hilton Head Island. So when I first meet with folks, I usually start a rather lengthy education process before we begin looking at specific homes. There are two fundamental things I try to keep in mind when working with buyers and sellers. First, and most importantly, is that I keep my clients' best interests, their wishes, and their needs in the forefront of my mind at all times. That's why my clients trust me, and I think that's why I'm so successful in this job. Second, I try to remember that everyone has a vision of what this next home, this next phase of their life will look like. When I truly understand my client's vision, then and only then can I help them make that happen. The readers of Hilton Head Monthly magazine voted me favorite realtor 2 years in a row, and that was very gratifying for me. When folks come here to vacation and then they meet with me to say, we've fallen in love with the Lowcountry and we want to buy a house here, it's satisfying to know that they understand how special it is here. They see what I see, and it's exciting to help them begin that new chapter in their lives.